In this comprehensive tutorial, you will learn the complete process of installing bathroom wall tiles on a metal corner with ease and professional accuracy. We begin by explaining the importance of properly preparing the metal corner profile to ensure it is clean, securely fixed, and ready to support the tiles. You will see how to measure and cut both the metal corner and tiles precisely to achieve a perfect fit, paying special attention to the edges to avoid gaps or uneven lines. Next, the guide covers the selection and application of the right adhesive, demonstrating techniques to spread it evenly for maximum adhesion to both the metal corner and the surrounding wall surface. We emphasize how to place the tiles carefully along the metal corner, aligning them perfectly to create sharp, clean edges that enhance the overall aesthetic of the bathroom. Special tips are shared on handling tricky areas where tiles meet the corner, ensuring a smooth transition without cracking or chipping. We also detail the grouting process around the metal corner, showing how to fill joints neatly and clean excess grout to maintain a flawless finish. Attention is given to the importance of sealing the grout and metal corner to protect against moisture, which is especially crucial in bathroom environments to prevent mold and water damage. Throughout the video, you will gain valuable insights into maintaining consistent spacing, using appropriate tools for cutting and leveling, and troubleshooting common challenges that may arise during installation. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional tiler, this step-by-step guide will equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to install bathroom wall tiles on metal corners confidently, resulting in a durable, visually appealing, and long-lasting finish. In the second part of this detailed guide, we delve deeper into the critical techniques and professional tips that ensure your bathroom wall tile installation on a metal corner is both flawless and durable. We start by demonstrating how to properly secure the metal corner profile if it's not already fixed, including advice on using the right fasteners and ensuring the corner is perfectly aligned with the wall to prevent future issues such as tile movement or misalignment. Next, you'll learn advanced cutting techniques for both ceramic tiles and the metal corner itself, including the use of wet saws and tile nippers to achieve clean, precise cuts that fit snugly around the corner without gaps. We highlight how to measure twice and cut once to avoid costly mistakes and how to handle irregularities in the wall surface to maintain a straight, professional-looking tile line. This section also focuses on adhesive application strategies, such as back-buttering tiles for stronger adhesion and controlling the thickness of the mortar layer to avoid uneven surfaces. We cover how to properly press and hold tiles in place along the metal corner, making sure each tile bonds well to both the adhesive and the metal profile for enhanced stability. Furthermore, we explain how to use tile spacers effectively to maintain consistent grout lines, especially around corners where uneven spacing is a common challenge. You'll also find out how to address corners where different tile sizes or patterns meet, ensuring a seamless transition that looks intentional and polished. Finally, this part includes troubleshooting advice for common problems such as adhesive oozing onto the metal corner, tile chipping during installation, and how to correct minor alignment issues before the adhesive sets. By mastering these advanced techniques, you will significantly improve the strength, appearance, and longevity of your bathroom wall tiles on metal corners, making your project look professional and built to last. In the third and most detailed section of this comprehensive tutorial, we focus on the finishing touches, maintenance tips, and long-term care that will keep your bathroom wall tiles installed on a metal corner looking pristine and functioning perfectly for years to come. After completing the installation and allowing the adhesive to fully cure, this part guides you step by step through the grouting process with a particular emphasis on working around the metal corner to ensure clean, neat lines and a watertight seal. You will learn how to choose the best type of grout for bathroom environments, whether sanded or unsanded, and how to mix it to the perfect consistency for smooth application. Detailed instructions will show you how to apply grout evenly into all joints around the tiles and the metal corner, using the right tools and techniques to avoid air pockets and incomplete fills. Special attention is given to wiping away excess grout with the appropriate timing and materials, preventing grout haze on both the tiles and metal corner for a professional finish. Beyond grouting, we delve into sealing techniques essential for protecting both grout and metal components from moisture penetration, which is crucial in wet areas like bathrooms. You'll see how to apply high-quality sealants to maintain the integrity of your installation, reduce the risk of mold and mildew growth, and prolong the life of your tiles and metal corner profiles. This section also covers the periodic maintenance routines, including gentle cleaning methods that preserve the grout and metal's appearance without causing damage or discoloration. We also explore advanced troubleshooting strategies for common long-term issues such as grout cracking, metal corrosion, or tiles loosening near corners. You will learn how to perform minor repairs quickly and effectively without needing to redo the entire installation. For instance, tips on reapplying sealant or grout touch-ups are covered in detail, helping you maintain a flawless look with minimal effort. In addition to technical guidance, this section offers aesthetic suggestions for enhancing the look of your metal corner installation, such as adding decorative corner trims, choosing complementary grout colors, or incorporating accent tiles to create unique visual effects. We discuss how these design choices can elevate the overall bathroom decor, making your tile work a standout feature. By mastering these finishing and maintenance steps, you ensure that your bathroom wall tile installation on a metal corner is not only beautifully executed but also resilient against the challenges of daily use in a moisture-rich environment. This comprehensive approach guarantees a lasting, visually appealing, and professionally finished bathroom wall that will impress for years to come. In the fourth part of this extensive guide, we delve into expert-level techniques and professional tips that elevate your bathroom wall tile installation on a metal corner from good to exceptional. This section focuses on tackling complex challenges that can arise during and after installation, ensuring your work is flawless even in the most demanding scenarios. We start by addressing how to handle uneven or irregular wall surfaces that often complicate tile alignment around metal corners. You will learn advanced methods for leveling walls using skim coats, patching compounds, or self-leveling mortars, which create a smooth, stable base for your tiles and metal profiles. These preparation steps are critical for preventing future problems such as tile lippage, cracking, or gaps along the corners. Next, we explore specialized cutting and shaping techniques for metal corners and tiles to fit around unusual architectural features like curved edges, window recesses, or plumbing fixtures. Using tools such as angle grinders with diamond blades, rotary tools, and fine files, you'll discover how to make precise adjustments that maintain the integrity and aesthetics of your installation. We also cover how to fabricate custom corner trims when standard profiles don't fit perfectly, giving you the flexibility to handle any job with confidence. This section also highlights advanced adhesive and grout selection based on specific bathroom conditions, such as high humidity, frequent water exposure, or temperature fluctuations. You'll learn how to choose and apply waterproof membranes or vapor barriers behind the tile and metal corner to provide an additional layer of protection against moisture intrusion, greatly extending the life of your installation. Furthermore, we discuss aesthetic refinements such as color-matched sealants and grout that blend seamlessly with your tiles and metal corners, creating a cohesive and sophisticated look. Tips on integrating LED lighting along metal edges or incorporating decorative inlays near corners add a modern touch that can transform your bathroom into a luxury space. Finally, this part covers preventative measures for long-term durability, including recommendations on ventilation improvements, moisture monitoring devices, and